In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn from Circle. So, if you've ever wondered how to make the most of Circle.so's platform and generate revenue, you've come to the right place. By following these steps, you can effectively monetize your community and start earning. Let's dive in by accessing your admin account on Circle. This step is straightforward but crucial, as it's the gateway to all the subsequent actions that you'll take in setting up your earning strategies. Once you're in, go to your profile photo and click on it to access the settings, then navigate to the payments section. Here, you'll lay the groundwork for your monetization process. Next, you'll need to connect your Circle.so account with Stripe. Stripe is a reliable payment processor that will allow you to handle transactions efficiently. Click on Connect Stripe and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, simply hit the Connect button. This step is crucial for integrating a payment system that will enable seamless transactions between you and your community members. Now that your Stripe account is lined up, it's time to create your first pricing plan. Head back to your settings and click on Create Plan. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a plan name, decide on a price, and set the access level. Once these fields are filled, click Save. This plan will outline what you are offering and how much it will cost your community members, essentially tailoring your income model to suit the needs of your audience. After setting up the plan, double check by going back to settings, then payments, and finally plans. Verify that everything is set as intended. This review step ensures that there are no discrepancies that could confuse potential subscribers. Now let's move towards making specific spaces require a paid plan. Click on Spaces, choose the space you're interested in, navigate to Settings, and then Access. It's important to toggle the Require Paid Plan setting here for the correct space, select your desired plan, and save the changes. This directs members to subscribe with payment in order to gain access, solidifying your monetization efforts. Ensure you effectively market your plan by going back to Settings, then Payments and Plans, where you can copy the link to your plan. Use this link strategically. Place it on your website, share via emails, or post on social media. These placements will guide potential members to engage and subscribe to your plans directly. Maintaining a close eye on the fruits of your efforts is vital. Go to Settings and then click on Payments and Payouts to monitor your earnings. Through this, you will see revenue streams and how your payouts are organized via Stripe.